Do you want to create a Ghibli image for free? You can make Ghibli-style art for free with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To create your own Ghibli art style image for free. First, open your preferred browser on your mobile or computer. Type grok.com in your browser's address bar and hit enter. Once you are on Grok, log into your account using your email. Now, tap on the paperclip icon. To upload an image from your device gallery, tap on Select Files and choose one of your pictures to convert into Ghibli art. Once the image is uploaded, in the text input field, type a prompt like "Convert this image into Ghibli art." Now, tap on the Submit icon to convert and generate your image into Ghibli art. Wait for Grok AI to process your request and display the stylized image. Now, this AI tool will transform your uploaded normal picture into an anime-style cartoon. If you are not satisfied with the result, you can retry with a more detailed prompt. Now, you can download and use this Ghibli art.